or just one person?
Yo, man, what's going on, brother? Cool. Yo, General, what's going on, bro? Cool, man.
Come on this side. अकेले में बैठ।
नहीं सब किधर गया? वो जी कैसा? जी बिल्कुल कैसा? ट्राइपॉड की इज्जत बख्शी सारे। कैसा ट्राइपॉड? इधर आने के लिए जो सामने जा ते वो हमें को तो पता है हमें भी बात के आगे नहीं गेस्ट के वाला में वैसी काम थोड़ी देर से क्या हुआ लाल चाबी
बच्चा मेरा सारी बेटी मेरी मेरी बाकी दो बेटियां स्कूले जाती
सर वो डीन साहब कह रहे हैं इनको सबको गेस्ट रूम में बैठा
हाँ जी गेस्ट रूम के ऊपर बिठाने तुसी
Oh man, every single morning, man, I'm just drinking that sweet lassie, man. That sweet lassie's been pumping my muscles up, man. Get me ready for all these competitors, man. Cause we're warriors, man. When we get in that ring, we're warriors, man. We all want that PWE title, and we're prepared to go out and do what we have to do to each other to get that PWE title. That's why I'm drinking my sweet lassie, man. Every morning.
Or how do you find Pakistani people? Are they loving?
Oh man, they're very loving, they're very caring, the hospitality has been great, man. I'm Tiny Iron, half man, half amazing, half Pakistani.
Do you? Yes. Half Pakistani. Do you taste any desi food?
Oh man, I've been apart from keema. I love the keema, man. Keema every night with my sweet lassie. I'm good to go, man. Good to go. Yeah.
Or any Urdu word that you learned from Pakistan?
Zindabad. Yeah.
Pakistan
Oh yeah, Pakistan, Zindabad. All day, every day, man. That's my word, man. That's my rumors, all these lies about Pakistan, how bad it is, how terrible it is, you know. But since I've been here, man, I hooked up with the PWE team, and we preach love and unity. Love is the most powerful weapon in this world. So I can't be harmed. I can't be touched. You know, love is the most powerful weapon in this world, man.
Or any message? Last, bilkul, any message?
Yeah, Pakistan people, man, just get ready for the biggest show, man. Just come down, come bring the whole family, man. This show is for you, and it's for me as well. It's for everybody, man. So please come down, support PWE. It's a new franchise in town, the new movement, the new organization. It's for everybody. It's a people's championship, man. PWE all day, every day. Yeah.
That's all nice of you. And Imran, last में मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि जिस तरह से आप इस इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज